Hey, hello guys. Now we'll be just starting the next lecturer in the general aptitude. Okay. So general aptitude is such an interesting thing that you just wanted to know. Okay. So we will be starting with subject. This thing. Okay. Now ratios and proportion we can just have a look upon. Okay. So this thing. Okay. Ratios and proportions. Okay, so ratio and proportion, I think so you would have so this one ratio means, you can see ratio means relationship, and ratio means comparison of two questions quantity in the form of fractions. So generally a by b like that. Okay, so ratio is always expressed in a simplified form. Okay, the 4 by 10 like that. So it is to 16, 1 is to like so. Okay, you can see 2 kg per 1000. So you can see this one. Okay, 2 kg per 5000 grams. So 2 kg of like this. Okay, the upper quantity also must be same, upper quantity same, divided by bottom quantity also must be same. Okay, so next thing you can see about 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. This we need to take a ratio means 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, so now we just take 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. No, sorry, 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. So you can see it is about multiplication. I just think so we need to just cross multiply. Okay, so it means 8 by 9. So instead of going like that, we can just also take like this. Okay, so 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. So you can see take the LCM. Okay, so take the LCM means 2 into 4, 3 into 4. Okay, is to 3 into 3, 4 into 3. You can see it is 8 is to 9. Okay, this is the ratio. So whenever a thing is not there, just take the LCM and just go and proceed. Okay, so you can see if we multiply antecedent and consequent in a ratio by a constant, then the value of ratio remains the same. Okay, so 2 is to 3 like that initial. Okay, so we can just proceed to next question. So generally you can see a plus or minus. So plus or minus in the ratio format we can't do. Okay, sometimes it happens only for same quantity. You can see pauses. So if a by b is 1 1, and you can see 5 plus 5 equals 5 by 5 equal to 1 is to 1. Okay, the ratio is like that. So if they asked about the inverse means x, what is the inverse? 1 by x. Okay, this will be the inverse. Okay, if a is to b is given, the inverse means we need to just take b is to a. Okay, b with respect to a. Okay, like that we need to take. So you can see 2 is to 3 means you can just see 3 is to 2 is the inverse. Okay, 1 by 2 and is to 3, 1 by 3. Okay, just take the LCM and you can see 3 is to 2 like that. Okay, just whenever the fraction, suppose if we need to have a ratio means just take the LCM. Okay, by taking the LCM each and everything will come upon. Okay, I think so you can understand. So you can see 2 is to 3 is to 4 means just take the LCM 2, 3, 4. So 4, 12 into 2, 24. So divided by 24 means 24 you can't write. So okay, 24 only into 24. 24. Oh. So I think so you can see this will definitely go to bigger thing. So take the LCM. Okay, ratio, take the LCM. Okay, LCM means I think so, you know, so LCM means 3 into, right? Okay, this is generally okay. So 2.3 is dot 4, 2, 1, 3, and this one 2. So you can see 6, 6 to 12. So you can see 2 is to, oh, they're asking the inverse. Okay. So inverse means 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 4. Okay, so just take inverse means into 6 into 6 into 6. So it means this one into 4 into 4 into 3. Okay, so multiply the same thing and we'll get the answer. Okay, 6 to 4 is 3. Okay, I think so got the point. So just take the LCM. Okay, after taking the LCM each and everything will come according to you. Suppose if they have just given in a different format, so you can see this is component. Okay, a divided by b equal to c divided by d, and you can see a plus b divided by b. Okay, next one c plus d divided by d. Okay, so next one divide into, you can see a by b equal to c by d. So a minus b divided by b like that. Okay, just it means this component on divide into. Okay, so in the top a plus b divided by a minus of b. Okay, c plus d divided by c minus of d. Okay, like this. Okay, I think so you can understand. So if they ask about this one, a is to b is 2 is to 5. Okay, b is to c is 3 is to 4. So a is to b is to c, how we can just find? So simple. So you can see a is to b is to c. So we can see 2 is to 5 and next one 3 is to 4. Okay, I think so got the point. Just multiply, it means here 5 is just multiply 5 and here 3 is decimal value 3. Okay, so what is 6, 15 and 20? That's it. Okay, just a basic thing. This is the ratio. Suppose so for this one you can see A is to B is 3 is to 5 and B is to C is, so A is to B is 3 is to 5 and this one 1 is to 8. Okay, 1, this one 5, 3, 5, this one 40. This is the ratio. I think you got my point. Okay, so if they asked about like this, so you can see A, B, C, so is, I think so you can see this one, right? Okay, so okay, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 6 is to 5, so 2, 2, 2, 3, here 6, 6, okay, 12, 12, 24, 6, 6, 36, 6, 30, so divided by 2, okay, 6, 12, 18, this one 15, so this is the ratio. Okay, just do with the three table, 2, 4, this one will be 6, this one will be 5, this is the ratio. Okay, so just a simple thing. Okay, you can easily do it. So this thing I think so you can do it. Okay, it means they are asking the A ratio as well as E ratio. So you can see this 420 and this is 315. Okay, so A is to E ratio means the NT ratio they are asking, okay, not a particular NT ratio they are asking. So okay, so next one you can see A divided by E is this one. Okay, so you can see just multiply, so 5 divided by 7 into this entire thing, 14 divided by 3 into 1 divided by 3 into 6 divided by 5. Okay, the product of antecedent divided by product of consequent. Okay, product of antecedent divided by product of consequent, that's it. So okay, I think so about the point. Sorry, just 1 second. Okay, so about this question you can just see, so A is to B plus of C equal to 2 is to 5 and B is to C plus of A is 1 is to 2. Okay, they are asking C is to A plus of B equal to what? So you can see just a thing, A divided by B plus of C is 2 is to 5. Okay, so you can see the entire total thing is how much? So 7. So A is 2 by 7, B plus C is 5 by 7. Okay, in this side you can just see 1 is to 2. So B is to C plus of A equal to 1 is to 2. So B is 1 divided by 3, C plus of A is 2 divided by 3. Okay, so make LCM. You can see 7, 7, 3, 3. So this one into 3, this one into 3, this one into 7, this one into 7. So A equal to 6 divided by 7, B plus of C equal to 15 divided by 7. So B equal to 7 divided by 21, say 21, 21. Okay, this one on 21. So C plus of A is this one 3 into 7 into 7, 14 divided by 21. Okay, I think so got the point. So what is A plus B? 6 plus 7 divided by 21 equal to 6, 13 divided by 21. So A plus B is this one. So A plus B is what they just asked. C is to A plus B. Okay, so general calculation you can see A plus B plus C equal to 21. Sorry, 1. Okay, so 13 by 21. So remaining how much is there for reaching 21? 7 plus 8, 8. 8 by 20. C is equal to 8 by 21. So answer will be 13. Wait, 8 divided by 13. Okay, just a simple thing guys, no need to just make LCM and make it equal and each and everything will come perfect. Okay, so you can try this one. Okay, so you can just go over the next one. So you can see if A by B greater than 1, you can see about this one 3 by 2, so A minus B. So this one generally not near because it will definitely confuse you. Okay, so next we can just go directly. Okay, where is my black pen? Just 1 second, guys. I just kept my black pen here only, but I didn't find it. Okay, I just got it. So you can see direct proportion. So x increases, y also increases. So if x decreases, y also decreases. This is comes under category of x and y. Okay, this is direct proportion. So you can see product of means equal to product of extremes. Okay, so you can see this one, product of means equal to product of extremes. Okay, suppose if we just see about the inverse proportion, this one inverse proportion. So you can see if x directly proportional 1 by inversely proportional, so x increases, y decreases. If y increases, x decreases, like that it will be. Okay, I think so you can understand. So in this way, in the inverse proportion, xy generally is to constant. Okay, xy tends to be rectangular hyperbola. Okay, I think so got that. So we can just see the thing. Okay, so you can see this one. First question. So two numbers are in ratio, so x by y is ratio of 3:4. Okay, if each number is been increased, so x plus 6 by y plus 6 equal to 4/5. Okay, what is the sum of two numbers? So they are asking sum of two numbers x plus y. Okay? Just a simple thing. Okay, just cross multiply 5 of x plus of 6 30 equal to 4y plus of 4 into 24. Okay, so you can see x equal to 4 of x equal to 3 of y. Okay, so two numbers are in ratio of 3:4. Okay, if each number is increased by 6, okay, ratio become 4:8. Okay, just make into one constant. Okay, if I suppose x equal to 3/4 of y. Okay, you can see this one 3/4 into 5 of y. Okay, this one minus 4 times of y equal to, this one comes here 30 20 minus plus of 24. Okay, this one will be minus 6. So you can see this one, suppose divided by 4 into 4. Okay, so this one total will be 15 of y minus of 16 of y divided by 4. Okay, so y tends to minus 24. Okay, so what is the value of x? So x 3 into 24 divided by 4, so this one will be 6. So x is to y is 18 is to 24. Okay, so just take the things related with the 3 table, it means 6 table. So 3:4. Okay, 18 is to 24 is the answer. So okay, 18 is to 24, just add 42 will be the answer. That's it. Okay, just a simple thing, no need to just confuse. Okay, you can just go for next thing. And see this one, ratio of A is to B is ratio of income. Okay, income is 5:1 and ratio of expenditure. Okay, okay, income equal to expenditure plus of savings. Okay, so income is, okay, income 1 divided by income 2 is 5:4, and their ratio of expenditure is 3:4. So for example, how we can just take so we can see it means 5x minus of 1600, 4x minus of 1600 equal to 5, 3:2, like that. We can just take, or 5 divided by 4 equal to 3x plus 1600 divided by 2x plus of 1600 also we can just take. Okay, this is our ratio. Okay, so what is the ratio of income? So they are asking the ratio of income. Okay, so they are asking them what is the phi, it means x value. So just cross multiply and find the x value, and it means, I think so you can understand. So after multiplying the x, put the x here and we will get the value. That's it. Okay, so you can see this one. Okay, so first calculate the x value. Okay, you can see x value is this one. Okay, so after calculating the x, if we just put here, it means we will get the answer. Okay, put x here and put x here, we will get the answer. Okay, that's it. Two methods also we can use, that's our wish. Okay, so next we can just see about this one. 35 liters of mixture contains milk plus of water. Ratio is 4:1. Okay, then 4 part is milk and 1 part is water. Okay, so wait 4. Okay, in this ratio 4, it means in this 35 liter 4 part contains of milk, 1 part contains of water. Okay, so milk by water, so milk divided by mixture is how much? 4, this entire thing 4 divided by 5, this one is 34. 4 is to 5 will come, but maybe 4 but only one thing, just a simple, so 4 is to 3, so 4x divided by 5x, so 4x 35 divided by 4. Check. Oh, I just took it correct. Okay, so 4 divided by 5 into 35, so how much? 28 liters milk and remaining 7 liters water. Okay, so they are asking 7 liter of water is added to the mixture. Okay, and what is the ratio of milk and water? Okay, 7 liter of water is added to the mixture, water is added to the mixture. Okay, they are asking the ratio of milk. Okay, so 28 liters milk and how much liter is water? Water is 7 liters. So adding 7 liter plus so 28 liters milk and 7 liters water. Okay, what is the result ratio of milk and water? 7 liters water, and suppose you can see 7 liter of water has been added, so best is, oh, I did it correctly, so 28 divided by 14, okay, equal to 2:1. So why I am just adding 7 liter of water down means you can see bottom is water and top portion is milk. Okay, this one is water, so that's why I added. So let us see the next question. So you can see this one. So 30 liter of mixture contains milk. Okay, so 7 by 10 into 30, so 21 liter is milk. Okay, and 3 by 10 into 30, 9 liters of water. Okay, how much water should be added to the mixture so that the water becomes reverse? Okay, so we need a ratio of 3:7. Okay, so how much ratio of water should be added? Okay, so water divided by so they're asking this one is the thing. Okay, so they're asking milk divided by water ratio, how much amount of water need to be added. Okay, so 3 divided by 7 must be the ratio, so you can see 21 liter this one milk divided by 9 liter of water. Okay, so plus of x, so you can see 27 plus 3 times of x equal to 7 into 21. Okay, 7 2 are 14, 147, and 3x equal to minus of 27, so 120, so x equal to 40 liters. Oh, 40 liters. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we can just go for next one. So you can see this one. So third question. So 20 liters of milk mixture contains, so milk is in a ratio of 5 divided by 8 into 20. Water is in a ratio of 3 divided by 8 into 20. 4 liter of mixture, it means 4 liter we just take out and replace by and adding 4 liters of milk. Okay, what is the result ratio? So you can see how much thing we are just taking, so 5 divided by 8 into 4, So we are just taking out how much, so 5, then 2.5 liters of milk we are taking out, and simultaneously 3 will be 80 to 4, so 1.5 liters of water we are taking out. Okay, so you can see this totally, so 25, so this will be 25 divided by 12.5. Okay, this one will be, this one is 7.5. Okay, so 12.5 minus of 2.5 liters divided by 7.5 minus of 1.5 liters, we are just taking out and adding plus of 4 liter of milk. Okay, so equal to 11 W. So calculate, we will get the answer. Okay, that's it. Simple question, no need to confuse. So we can just go for the next question. Just wait 1 second. So next question you can just see upon. So must remove that. So you can see a certain mixture, a certain amount of mixture contains milk and water in ratio. A certain amount of mixture contains milk and water. Okay, we don't know what is the thing. Okay, but you can see the how much liter x amount of, you know, so 4 5 of x equal to milk. Okay, 1 divided by 5 of x equal to water. So then 10 liters. Okay, then 4 divided by 5 into 10. Wait. So you can see we are just removing how much liters. So 8 liters of this one is milk, and 2 liters of water we are just taking. It means we are just removing. So 4 divided by 5 of x minus of 8 liters. So divided by 2, it means x divided by 5 minus of almost 2 liters we are just taking, and we are just adding 10 liters of water. Okay, 10 liters of water. Then the ratio, the result ratio is 2/3. Okay, so how much pure milk was originally there? Okay, so just calculate the x. Okay, that's it. To relate these equations, 4x minus of 40 liters divided by this one 40 divided by 5. Okay, so divided by x minus of 10, so the total divided by 5. Okay, plus of 10 liters equal to 2:3. Okay, so I think so we need to just do 50. Okay, so 4x minus of 40 by 5 into 5 divided by this one 5, so 50 x minus of 40, 2 divided by 3, 5 gets cancelled. So 12x minus of 120 equal to 2x minus of 80. So 10x equal to 40. So x equal to 120 minus 80 is 40. So x equal to 4 liters. 4 liters. Okay, x equal to 4 liters. So they are asking how much pure milk is was original. So they are asking the milk content. Okay, so they are asking the only milk. Okay, how we can just find the milk? So milk initially was 4 times of x. Okay, so 16 liters, 4 of x, 16 liters. Okay, that's it. So we can just go for next thing. You can see about this one. Two mixture contains milk and water prepared by moving them into a ratio of 7:2. two mixture contains milk and water prepared when mixing them in a ratio of 7:11. Okay, two mixtures. So you can see two mixture contains if equal quantity of them, two mixtures are added. Oh, suppose you can see 7 divided by 18 is milk, okay, and 11 divided by 18 is water, and the same thing 7 divided by 9 is milk, 11 2 divided by 9 is water. So make LCM 2 into 2 into 2. So you can see this one will be 14 divided by 18, this one will be 4 divided by 18. Okay, same. So 7 plus 14 divided by 7 plus 14 divided by 11 plus 4. Okay, so 21 divided by 15. This is the answer. Okay, so just taking the ratio, just cancel, we get the answer. Okay, so next is this one. Okay, so three containers of equal capacity, 3 by 7. So milk alone 3 by 5, then 2 by 5 is water, 7 by 10 is milk, so 3 by 10 is water, so 11 by 15 is milk, so 4 by 15 is water. So the remaining part is completely filled with other containers are mixed up. So simple. Okay, so 15 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 6 into 6. So 6 18 plus of 21 plus of 22 divided by this one into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 6 into 6. Okay, so 12 plus 9 plus 8. Okay, what will be the thing? Just add and we will get the answer. Okay, that's it. Okay, so thing is this one 61 will be 29. Okay, so you can just see this one. Two containers of equal capacity, milk and water in a ratio of 2 containers. Okay, milk is 1 divided by 3. Okay, water is 2 divided by 3. So milk is 2 divided by 5, water is 3 divided by 5. If their two mixtures are mixed in a ratio of 1:4, this one is A, this one is B. So in the A portion we are just taking one part, and in the B portion we are just taking 4 parts. Okay, so they are asking the resultant ratio. So for example, take the this one separate. Okay, so for example, I'll just try 1 by 3 into 1 plus of this one 2 by 5 into 4. Okay, divided by 2 by 3 into 1 plus of 3 by 5 into 4. Okay, so this one will be 1 by 3 plus of 8 divided by 5, so into 3 into 5, so you can see. So what will be the answer? 13 divided by 15. So this one 12 by 5, this one into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So you can see 6 will be plus of 5 4 2, so 3 3, so 36 will be, I think so. So 42 will be 15. So let us see. My bad. Okay, this one divided by, wait. Oh, so it is given 2 is to 3, 2 is to 5. Okay, then 2 by 7, so 3 is to 7. Okay, check. So this one here it will be 7. So this one will be 7. Sorry, my bad luck. Okay, so this one will be into 7 into 7. So I'll just rewrite. So what will answer? So 7 plus of this one, 8 into 3, 24. So 24 divided by 21. Okay, divided by this one, 7 into 3 into 7. So into 7 is 14 plus of this one 3, it goes to 12 into 3 is 6, 36 into 7, so 36, 21. Okay, so what will be the answer? This one 31 divided by 36 or 14, 0 1 3 4 5 5 t. So guys, we are doing some mistakes, I think so. Yo, karma pidichonu. So this one is 5 into, so 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 into 3 60. Okay, 74. So we just came with the answer. Okay, basic thing. Okay, so you can just see this one. A box contains certain number of paise. Okay, box 50 paises, 20 paise, 10 paise. So each in a ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5. So 50 rupees coin is, so 3 times of x. Okay, this one is 5 times of x, this one is y of x. Okay, so it means the total amount is 42. So 4x plus of yx equal to 42. So just calculate 9 12 12 and is equal to 42. 6 2 1 3 7. Wait. Something we are just missing out. Okay, you can see this is, okay, this is a ratio they are giving. This is it means coins ratio. Okay, it means 3 coin means which coin will be. It means we have to just give a specific explanation. Okay, 50 paise. Okay, so 3x into 50 plus of 20 into 4 times of x plus of 10 into 5 of x equal to 4200 paise. So now you calculate x will come, okay. So x is equal to 15, okay. So put in the 10 rupees and 10 rupees means 5, okay. So 5x, okay, 5 into 1, okay. So 50 paise. What is the amount to formed by 50 paise coin, okay. Okay, I think so you can understand soon. So 50 into 3 into x half divided by 50, so convert to rupees, that's it, okay. So this thing you can just see, rupees 5130 is divided among A, B, C, and A gets, okay. A equal to 6 by 13 of B plus C, okay, and B gets 5 by 14th of A plus C. So integers are okay. So total amount is 5130. Mm, 13, 16 multiply inside. Mm, 13. So let us suppose A divided by B plus C, 6 by 13. So A's ratio is 6 divided by 6 add 19. So B plus C is 13 divided by 19, okay. So same for this one. So B divided by A plus C into 5 divided by 14. So B's ratio is 5 divided by 19. So A plus C is 14 divided by 19, okay. So A plus B plus C equal to 1, okay. It means let us suppose x also, that's a normal thing, okay. So C equal to how much? You can see 6 and 6 5, so 11, so plus of 8, okay. So C is 8 divided by 19 into 5130. Just multiply, you will get the answer, okay. 8 divided by 19, just multiply and you will get the answer. So if they asked about individual contribution, just multiply with the required answer, okay, that's it, okay. This one also same, okay. So next I think so you can easily do this one. So next one you can see what number should be added to them so that they are in proportion, okay. 10 plus x, so now you just multiply and you can put each and you can get the answer, okay. 10 plus of x, 14 plus of x, 16 plus of x, 22 plus of x, just put and you will get the answer, okay. Okay. X by y equal to, they just mentioned t and after calculating the two answers will move. Wow, super question. So much simple, guys. It means 8x square plus minus 18xy plus of 9 of y square. So 8x square of y square minus of 18xy divided by y square. So y plus of 9 equal to 0. So you can see x by y equal to t. So 8t square minus of 18 of t plus of 9 equal to 0. So I think so I got a point. 8 by y equal to t. So calculate the thing and you will get the answer. That's it, okay. So okay guys, then I'll just see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, have a good day.